welcome to Ahente Nation TV. And we're very excited to come up live because we've been talking about this, and the purpose of making Ahente Nation TV available to the public is to provide platform for all the salespeople that are coming from the Philippines and hoping to find a job or to continue their career here in America or Canada or USA. And today we are going to do the Shoutout Monday. And the reason why we're doing that because while most people are finding Monday as the most difficult day of the week, for us it is a very important day to ensure that we are starting the week right. And for us salespeople, it's about starting Monday with the right mindset. And today, let's start our shout out. And first, I'm going to shout out my good friend from Milton, Ontario. And this guy is Robuen Fuentes. Mga kaibigan, si Robuen, I know this guy from the Philippines and Cebu. He is one of the most successful sales rep, sales rep working at Novartis Philippines, and then came to Canada and found a successful sales career dito sa Telus Mobility, formerly ADT, as a sales professional. And mga kaibigan, Ruben has helped families in Greater Toronto area, providing security of their homes. Wow, he did an amazing job, and he is also a multiple winner of the President's Club. Wow! So I'm looking forward to hear from this guy and learn from him. It's amazing. And Robin Fuentes, man, happy Monday. The next person na isa-shoutout natin si Philip Itak. Man, Philip Itak. Formerly, I know this guy. Kabasketball ko to sa Cebu. And then, uh, climbed the ladder in the corporate world from Lilly or Eli Lilly, Gets Pharma, became one of the national sales manager, and then very successful. Came to Canada recently, or maybe 5 years ago, and then now became the country manager of the company EPSI. It's an industrial company, and wow, congratulations! I'm so happy for this guy, and he's also a multiple winner President's Club. I think the last time he travels to Jamaica. Wow. And the next person I'd like to shout out, Lizelle Rodriguez, formerly Pfizer, and now she continue as the territory manager in Calgary area. Hey, Lizelle, how are you? Congratulations. And this lady is also not only a good friend, but man, she is also a very successful sales professional in Canada. And shout out din natin na si Alex Sabio, formerly Novartis Philippines and Gets Pharma. Man, became an area manager, industrial sales in Canada, high achiever. My goodness, ang dami na natin dito, you know. Another person, ito naman si Kenneth Renegado, Novartis Philippines, very successful, and he is now in San Francisco, USA as parang unit manager nurse or registered nurse. Amazing. So he is now in the healthcare industry, high performer as well. Another person that we're going to shout out, Debbie Evora or Debbie Vergara, formerly BMS, and also very successful, became a professional or pharmaceutical sales representative in Canada for so many companies. I know Pfizer as well. And now she became a real estate professional and very, very successful. And she is in the GTA area, it's a greater Toronto area in Canada as well. Wow. Congratulations, Debbie. Other person na isa-shout out natin, si Arlen Trocio Itag. Wow, dami natin dito. So Pfizer, formerly Pfizer Philippines survey, and now became a sales expert in one of the insurance company in Canada. And she is also Canada-wide. Wow. Who else? Shout out ulit natin to si Miriam Kamaheg Lavilla. So formerly Boehringer Ingelheim Philippines, and then went to Canada and became a registered nurse. And now she is currently working in Michigan, one of the healthcare hospital in Michigan, which is United States of America. High achiever. And we have also Ian or Ray Kabahag. Wow, Oregon, Philippines. A good friend of mine actually. And I called him like a Steph Curry of Cebu back in the day. Wow. So he is now in Phoenix, Arizona as a registered nurse or head nurse. Another healthcare professional. Wow. And oh my goodness, here's the new guy. I'd like to shout out also a good friend of ours, Paul Tababa. Wow, highly successful in the Philippines. Back in the day, 20 years maybe or 15 years ago, we worked together at Pfizer Philippines. Ngayon, at saka lumipat siya ng ibang kumpanya, naging Novartis, naging Novo Nordisk. Oh my goodness, very successful. And now he is here in London, Ontario. And recently, oh brother, congratulations for getting a sales position, professional sales consultant. Wow, sales hunter in a company known as UniFirst Canada. Wow, it's an industrial sales. Wow, brother, congratulations. And we are looking forward to see you in person very soon. So sa inyo dyan, kung gusto nyo i-shout out kayo kung ano yung mga business nyo, pwede namin i-push, tulungan, ano yung gusto nyo gawin namin. Mag-comment kayo dyan, mag-like kayo sa channel natin, at saka kung pwede, ano na lang kayo, mag-subscribe na lang kayo para updated kayo dun sa mga next natin na mga episodes or publications. Kasi meron tayong mga sorpresa sa inyo, marami. At saka ibabahagi namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga uh, nalalaman namin dito or we're able to learn the hard way or the easy way, either way, para naman matulungan kayo once na nandito na kayo sa Canada. Okay? So, yun lang. At saka hanggang sa next Monday, we're gonna continue. Shoutout Monday. And thank you so much.